Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to use the rollup in Airtable. The rollup function is kind of similar to the lookup in Excel, but we need to add some more steps on it to make a rollup function can work. I will show you very quick how to use rollup in this video. Hope you will watch till the end of the videos. Okay, you can see I have an example project here. I have table 1 and the table 2 is a blank table. Table 1 have 3 columns. The first column is country. It's just a single line test. The percent charged to USA is the percent value. The USA tariff similar is percent value. Now what I want to do is create a new table right here. Item I want to put to table 2 is the group of country. Example is I want to group China and European is one group, or Vietnam and Taiwan is one group, and summarize all the percentage value over here. I will show you very quick. First of all, you need to create a new column. You choose the link to another record over here. You will choose the table 1. Now Airtable will ask you to add a lookup field. In this video, we will use the rollup function, not lookup, so I can close it. Now I can rename this one is country. Okay, I will save the change. Now I can add manually the country I want to make a group. This one I will add China, I will add European is one group, and I will create a new record and add Vietnam and Taiwan is one group. Okay, now I will use the rollup function. You can search for rollup over here. First of all, you need to choose the source. The source I choose is a country over here. And then in table 1, you want to use the rollup function. I will choose the charge to USA. If you want to short or add some filters, you can add here also. You can add some filters over here like contain, does not contain, and you enter the value as a filter. But in this video, I won't use this. This one, you need to add a formula that rollup will calculate. Right now, it is sum, but you can use any kind of formula you want. You can use the average one, or you can use the mean value or array. We have a lot of formula here, but in this tutorial, I will use sum. It's the easiest formula. Okay, create a field. Okay, now you can see it's returned 106%. It's a sum of China percent and European percent. Like this one, China percent is 67%, European is 39%. We sum together and we have 160%. Similar to Vietnam and Taiwan is 153%. You can see here 90% and 63%. Now I will show you different formula for this. I will add a new field. Now I choose everything same. I choose a field. I choose the second field is US tariff. Now I don't want to use sum anymore. I will use average values. That means I will use rollup to calculate the average between these two countries. Now I will create the field. You can see here 27% and 39% is the average between China and European, 34 and 20%, and Vietnam and Taiwan is 46 and 31%. I can add more record also, and I will add China, Vietnam, Taiwan, and European. This one rollup will calculate the average percent of 4 different countries. Okay, that's all my videos. I make this video very easy for you to understand the rollup function in Airtable. If you feel my videos helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.